guys, Danica here from Dano Talks Health. Today we're going to talk about essential oils for congestion. I'm going to give you a few DIY recipes for you to alleviate your congestion using essential oils. I am getting this information from a book. It's called The Complete Book of Essential Oils and Aromatherapy. It's written by a very well-known aromatherapist named Valerie Ann Werwood. So all of these recipes are from this book. I trust her information because she has been studying essential oils her entire life. So when we talk about congestion, I'm talking about noisy breathing, wheezing, you're gonna have phlegm maybe in your chest area. Maybe even your bronchioles might be a little bit inflamed and that's what's causing you to wheeze. But these recipes are going to alleviate that. These are simple recipes, but just because they're simple doesn't mean they're not going to work, and it doesn't mean that they're not powerful, because often simplicity is the answer. So all you're going to need is a steaming bowl of hot water, and you're going to want to put 4 drops of either eucalyptus, the essential oil eucalyptus, or the essential oil hyssop. You're going to put 4 drops of that, and you're going to have a steaming bowl, and you are going to breathe that in and put a towel over your head so that the steam is trapped, and you're going to breathe in the steam from this bowl for 5 minutes, and breathe as deeply as you can to get it as deep into your lungs as possible. And this is a great DIY way to alleviate your congestion. Another great DIY way is to use a massage oil and to massage it onto your chest, the area where you are congested. So I'll give you the recipe for that. You are going to want to put 15 drops of eucalyptus, 10 drops of rosemary, and 5 drops of hyssop. And you're going to want to dilute it in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then you can go ahead and rub that on your chest, kind of like a homemade Vicks, like a vapor rub. So try these out for yourself, see how they work. I hope that these recipes make you breathe better, help you feel better, and I hope that you get well soon. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!